Hello everyone, it's Anita White and we're back. Yes, we are with another video. Happy to have you joining us as well. Thank you so much. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. We're happy to have you. And let's get started, guys. We have a 10 by 20 inch canvas and we're going to be doing a special little treat. Hopefully it'll turn out just amazing. One of my viewers by the name of Ellen was watching video number 56 and she got inspired to think about Peacock and thought maybe I would try it. So she suggested that perhaps I could try Peacock colors such as those that might include purple, lime, hot pink, and even maybe lime for a base. And so I thought, well, let's see what we could do with that. I think that's a great idea. However, I decided to go with the Blickrylic titanium white for the base because I'm going to add some additional colors that can also be found in the feather of a peacock. So we're going to pop air bubbles on this Blickrylic white titanium white, and then we're going to talk about the colors that we are going to introduce to the canvas. And thanks to Ellen, we're going to have some amazing colors, I believe. She suggested the purple, and this is the Amsterdam permanent blue violet, which looks very purple. This is the Artist Loft turquoise. This is Liquitex Basics Fluorecent Pink. This is the Liquitex Basics Lime Green. Also, we have the Artist Loft Old Gold, along with the Artist Loft Sap Green, and then the Amsterdam Bluish Green. And I'm going to start with this one. We're going to just try to get some peacock colors to come out of this. So let's see what happens here. Hopefully Ellen is watching and she can see this amazement take place. We are going to do a Dutch pour if I didn't say that, guys. So let's get a Dutch pour going here. That looks like it could possibly be peacock colors. All right. Get a little more of that lime green going there. There we go. All right. Then we have this fluorescent pink, which is amazing. Our turquoise. Get it open. Okay, guys, this is so pretty. And we have all right. Wow, aren't those brilliant colors? Ooh-wee. Okay, well, let's do some popping of air bubbles here. I'm going to take just a little bit of base color here, add it to the canvas to make sure we have a nice opportunity for movement here. This is going to be interesting to see what happens. Hopefully we can get some of that peacock color really shine up. All right. Moving everything aside so we have plenty of room to blow and things won't get messy. This is amazing. Let's do another torch here. Wow. Let's see what happens here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Wow. A lot of the nice permanent blue violet showing up in each of these areas. Lots of mixture of color. Really can see that peacock-like formation of colors in this. Great choice, Ellen. Great suggestion. Oh wow, this is very pretty. Very, very pretty. Love, 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 love that. I'm going to grab one thing and see what we can do. Just a second. We used this little device before, and it is actually, I forget the group name, Pour, Scrape, and Repeat. And you actually take this and use it to blow out areas to assist you in your Dutch pour. And we have beautiful colors in here, but I'm just going to see if I need to use it maybe to bring out a little bit more in some of the area here. It's a little tough to blow into, but maybe I'm not used to it, but I'm going to try it just to see what we can do. That's good. And this really looks like it's in the peacock color, that deep dark green in there. So I'm going to let that be, but I'm going to try to blow just a little bit on this edge here. All right. Wow. Nice. I'm just amazed at how rich and vibrant these colors are. You can see that hot pink outlined in here throughout. Really super pretty colors. I am just loving this. The color combinations are just unbelievable. I'm scraping to help retain this design because as you know, if the paint continues to move, so does the design, and we want to keep it from shifting as much as possible. Yeah, there'll be some variation by movement, but as far as we're concerned, we want to really bring as much as we can to rest as fast as we can. Let's bring you in for a close-up because I am absolutely loving this. Torch this real quick and let your eyes behold it. Okay, here we go. And here we are with our close-up. And we were going for Peacock colors. And look how beautiful these are. Unbelievable. The lacing, the cells. Oh, look at that vibrant fluorescent pink. And over here where we pull it out, you can see it just outlined like a rainbow. So pretty. I love the permanent blue violet together with that fluorescent pink. And you can see here how all those colors came together really richly. Oh, just so rich and pretty. And again, here's that inner piece. Nice gold and that greenish blue, along with the sap green. So pretty. Ellen, I thank you so much for making that suggestion. I think this is an amazing palette color combination, and we have seen some awesomeness. Look at the beautiful colors that have come in and cells that have developed in color. I'm really happy with it. There's a full view of the design, and hopefully you like it. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. Again, this is our Peacock colors, and we really love the way they have come out. Loud and clear. Beautiful. And if you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you can be notified each time we have another video upload. You don't want to miss anything. So until next time, keep loving your art. Have a great day. Stay safe. And believe me, we want to see you back again. Thanks for joining me. Take care. Bye now.